Los Angeles, California, is a city of endless possibilities where urban landscapes merge seamlessly with natural wonders. From the iconic Hollywood Walk of Fame to the sandy shores of Santa Monica, a walking tour of LA reveals its vibrant culture, artistic vibe, and diverse neighborhoods. Whether you're a first-time visitor or a seasoned traveler, exploring the city on foot offers an immersive experience like no other. Here are the highlights you'll encounter on this 4K walking tour. Iconic landmarks like the Hollywood sign and Griffith Observatory. Scenic beaches with breathtaking sunsets, such as Venice Beach and Santa Monica Pier. Cultural treasures include street art in downtown LA and historic neighborhoods like El Pueblo de Los Angeles. Natural escapes within the city, including Runyon Canyon and Echo Park Lake. Discover the best spots in Los Angeles with this detailed 4K walking tour itinerary. Hollywood Walk of Fame and TCL Chinese Theater. Start your tour at the Hollywood Walk of Fame, a star-studded boulevard featuring over 2,700 celebrity stars. Please stop by the TCL Chinese Theater, known for its celebrity handprints and footprints cemented in its courtyard. Catch live performances or movie premieres as you soak in the glamorous vibes of Hollywood. The ideal time to visit is early morning to avoid crowds. Griffith Observatory and Griffith Park. Hike to the Griffith Observatory, perched on the slopes of Mount Hollywood. Enjoy panoramic views of Los Angeles, including the Hollywood sign and the city skyline. Pro tip: visit during sunset for magical city views. Sunset Boulevard. Walk along Sunset Boulevard, a stretch encapsulating LA's music and entertainment history. Browse through the boutique whiskey a go-gory art that adorns this vibrant area. Pause at a cafe for people watching while soaking up the lively atmosphere. Runyon Canyon Park. Choose from beginner favorite trails or more challenging hikes for stunning views. Watch for fitness enthusiasts and pet owners on this dog-friendly trail. Best time to visit: morning or late afternoon to avoid the middle. Down to is Morningales, DTLA. Highlights: Grand Central Market. Savor various cuisines at this iconic food hall, ranging from tacos to artisanal coffee. The Bradbury Building. The Broad Museum. Admire contemporary art pieces, including works by Yayoi Kusama and Jeff Koons. Angels Flight Railway. Ride the historic funicular for a short but memorable experience. El Pueblo de Los Angeles. Historic monument. Walk through the birthplace of Los Angeles, dating back to 1781. Explore Elvera Street, a vibrant Mexican marketplace filled with shops and traditional food. Visit historic buildings like the Avila Adobe, the oldest house in LA. Best for history buffs and cultural enthusiasts. Venice Beach Boardwalk. Experience LA's bohemian vibe with street performers, artists, and vendors. Walk along the Venice canals, inspired by Italy's Venice. Relax on the sandy beach or watch skaters at the famous skate park. Enjoy fresh seafood at beachfront eateries for a perfect end to your walk. Santa Monica Pier and 3rd Street Promenade. Stroll along the historic Santa Monica Pier, featuring an amusement park and an aquarium. Catch stunning ocean views while walking to the pier's end. Shop and dine at the nearby 3rd Street Promenade, a bustling pedestrian street. Visit during the evening to see the dock. Beautifully lit dock. Echo Park Lake. Relax in the serene surroundings of Echo Park Lake, a green oasis in the city. Rent a pedal boat and glide past the iconic lotus flowers. Spot downtown LA's skyline as a backdrop for memorable photos. Enjoy walking paths lined with palm trees and picnic areas. Beverly Hills and Rodeo Drive. Take a leisurely walk through Beverly Hills, known for its manicured streets and luxury homes. Explore Rodeo Drive, a world-renowned shopping destination for high-end fashion. Visit Beverly Gardens Park, featuring the iconic Beverly Hills sign. Ideal for a mix of glamour and greenery. La Arts District. Wander through the Arts District, known for its colorful murals and creative vibe. Visit galleries and studios showcasing local talent. Dine at trendy cafes offering farm-to-table options and unique coffee blends. Perfect for art lovers and foodies alike. Little Tokyo. Immerse yourself in Japanese culture with authentic eateries and shops. Visit the Japanese American National Museum for a glimpse into history. Enjoy tranquil moments at the James Irvin Japanese Garden. Don't miss the mochi ice cream for a sweet treat. Malibu Pier and Beaches. Walk along Malibu Pier, offering stunning views of the Pacific Ocean. Relax at Surfrider Beach, popular among surfers. Indulge in seafood delicacies at nearby restaurants with oceanfront seating. Combine natural beauty with laid-back charm. USC and Exposition Park. Tour the historic campus of the University of Southern California, USC, adorned with stunning architecture. Explore Exposition Park, which is home to attractions like the California Science Center and the Natural History Museum. Stroll through the Rose Garden, a peaceful spot with seasonal blooms. The Getty Center take in sweeping views of the city and the ocean from the hilltop location. The best time to visit is in the afternoon for golden hour photography. Westwood Village and UCLA campus. Explore Westwood Village is a quaint neighborhood brimming with cafes, boutique shops, and historic theater sets. Visit the Hammer Museum, showcasing contemporary art and cultural exhibitions. Walk through the sprawling UCLA campus, known for its beautiful gardens, iconic Royce Hall, and the Fowler Museum. Don't miss the Westwood Village Memorial Park, a peaceful resting place for Hollywood legends. Pacific Palisades and Will Rogers State Historic Park. Take a leisurely walk through Pacific Palisades, a coastal neighborhood with scenic views. Visit Will Rogers State Historic Park, featuring hiking trails and the historic ranch of the iconic actor. Hike to Inspiration Point for stunning views of the Pacific Ocean and city skyline. Combine history and nature in one refreshing stop. Walk through the Central Plaza, adorned with traditional architecture and statues. Try dim sum or traditional tea at one of the local eateries. Attend a cultural event if visiting during festivals like the Chinese New Year. Marina del Rey. Enjoy the tranquil Marina del Rey, featuring waterfront paths perfect for a peaceful stroll. Watch yachts and boats at Fisherman's Village. Rent a kayak or paddleboard for a closer view of the marina. It is best visited during the morning for serene vibes. Koreatown, K-Town. Stroll through Koreatown, a buzzing neighborhood that blends Korean culture and modern LA vibes. Savor authentic Korean barbecue, with numerous restaurants to choose from. Discover hidden karaoke bars and trendy cafes.